Let all on earth their voices raise, re-echoing heaven's triumphant praise. To him who gave the apostles grace, to run on earth their glorious race. Thou at whose word they bore the light of gospel truth o'er heathen night, to us that heavenly light impart, to glad our eyes and cheer our heart. Thou at whose will to them was given, to bind and loose in earth and heaven, our chains unbind, our sins undo, and in our hearts thy grace renew. Thou in whose might they spoke the word, which cured disease and health restored, to us its healing power prolong. Support the weak, confirm the strong.